हे न्युवेचे लबान डिसोजा आणि ताचे हे फार्म हे सगळे फार्म चल्ला ऑर्गेनिक साऱ्याचेर. हांगा कसलेच केमिकल वापरिनात.
I've got different types of plants from pomelo, which is very good for diabetic people, and then peanut plants, then rambutan I've got, then I've got lychees I've got, then jackfruit, apple which is very good actually, and this year is bloom like anything, that apple tree. And two types of color is got. Yes, velvet color, one reddish color, one yellow color. And then I've got guavas I've got, the pineapple I've got, then chicus I've got, then passion fruit, then most of this thing, around about 20 to 30 varieties of fruits I have got here in this farm. My passion was, I was a brewmaster in United Breweries. I work as a quality manager. Then I work as a, Impala also I work as a brewmaster. And then before retirement I started this farm. So that, once I retire I can easily, I can stay nicely on this farm.
लबान गाय, बोकड्यो आणि नुस्तेंय पोसता. फार्माची खासियत म्हळ्यार सद्याक फार्मात केमिकल सारे अजिबात वापरिनात, फकत ऑर्गेनिक सारे.
I've got goats also. I started with goats. I've got cows also. Because of that, my farm is pure organic. I don't use any chemical fertilizer. And I started initial I started for 75% of chemical was there, then 50 was there, then 25, then finally no chemical. Now last 3-4 years I'm not using any chemical for the farm. This is all I converted into organic this thing. And when you eat organic fruit, the taste is completely different. The texture of the fruit is completely different. You feel like eating this thing. And there is no much diseases also.
लबानान हे सगळे केला स्वताच्या पैशांनी, सरकाराचो आधार घेनासतना.
No, government help means there is nothing of government. See, I did not apply anything of government. I did not. Government people what? They come and they see. They help. There is nothing on that side of help you get. Government. I have not taken any help of the government to do all these things. I have spent my own money, and I am happy with that because I can see what you get. I can enjoy the fruits. I can see all these things. Even people who come here, they also enjoy this thing. They see we have not seen this type of climate even, change of climate. Everywhere is hot, but when you enter, it's like paradise.
लबानाक दर वर्सा ताच्या फार्मातल्या वावराक लागून 5 ते 6 शेतकी अवॉर्ड मेळटातूच. गोंय सरकाराचो कृषी पुरस्कारूय ताका मेळ्ळा.
Award, I got at least 6 to 7 awards I get every year. Last 5 years I'm getting those awards, and I tell them also, you people, somebody must compete with me, so that next time you also come up. But none of people. Now last month there was Konkan Fruit Festival. I got 6 prizes on the fruit this thing, and I was awarded as a best farmer also. I was awarded, I have given Krishi Bhushan also by Goa government. I have got this Krishi Bhushan award also. Then every festival, this thing, I just go there, at least show people, we can grow, because God has given us very good climate. We can grow any plant. Wherever it grows, you can grow in Goa also. Even if you grow in Europe, that plant also comes in Goa also. Because we have got very good climate. Only you must be dedicated to see that the plant comes up nicely, talk to the plant nicely, touch the plant nicely. Then they also feel good.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.